Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a ultimate Canva clone image and PDF editor that I built inside the browser using React.js, and it's a single page application which runs entirely in the browser. No server code is involved. So I've deployed this website here on my website freemediatools.com, Canva image and PDF editor. So this tool something looks like this, and here first of all we have the little bit of canvas right here where you will draw something, and then we have all the exporting options right here. We can export them to PDF, SVG, PPT, HTML and an image file, and you can even save your template as a JSON file as well and later on load this. So first of all, here we can change the canvas size. By default it comes with 800 width and 500 height. So first of all, here you need to add a image file to the canvas. You can see we can add this image. So you can add multiple pages as well. So we have also the page functionality as well. So we can also apply a background color using this color picker. You can pick any color. So this is really useful editor guys if you are wanted to make any sort of YouTube thumbnail or social media template thumbnails. We also have the option right here. If you see add text, you also have the option to add text right here. So as soon as you do this, you will see this text will be there. You can just control the sizing here with the mouse here. Each element you can place it accordingly in the canvas, and then you can simply edit this. So you can see that. So if you tap on the text element, you will see additional properties here. You can actually change the font family, you can change the font size, letter spacing, you can change the text color, and you can even change the background color of this. So let's suppose you have to have a different background here. So you can just see, you can customize everything right here. And then we also have you can change fonts here. All these fonts, you can select any font of your choice. So this actually similar to Canva, which actually have multiple fonts here. From this drop down you can actually select all the major fonts which are there. Simply select. So you can see that. So as soon as you select, so now if you want to export this, we have this export option right here. You can export them as an image. Click it, you will see it will export this as a PNG image. Then we can even export them to a HTML file. So this is, you can see it exported as an HTML. Then we also have the option to export them to a PPT file, which is a PowerPoint presentation. As soon as you click it, you will see the slide will be created. And then we also have to export scalable vector graphics. So SVG file, you will see that the file will be created. It's the ultimate editor guys, and also we have the option to export them to a PDF file. So as soon as you do this, it will be exported to PDF file. So it is, and you can even export them to a JSON. So this template will be saved. And you can even add multiple pages here. Let's suppose I want to add another page. So this is actually a second page. Let me have a different background color for this. So this will save you a lot of time guys. You can see that. So again we can add text right here. Now we have two pages. We can add another page. Let me change this. Again just click add text. So now we have three pages. So once I click the export button guys, you will see export as PDF. Now it will create three pages. You will see that now it has three pages in the PDF, first, second, third. So in this easy way you can create multi-pages PDF files. You can even create, let's suppose, PPT file here. So it will actually create PPT file with these three slides. This is the first slide, second slide, third slide. So same goes with image. So it will actually create three images. It will capture the screenshot of each page that you created. You will see that. So you can access this guy's live demo at this link and my website. So if you are interested in purchasing this project, React project, the link is given in the description. So it is coded entirely in React.js. You can see we are using the libraries called as jsPDF, Fabric.js. So these two libraries are open source. jsPDF library, if you don't know, it's a PDF generation library in JavaScript, and this is their package. So it's almost 2 million weekly downloads. And then we also using Fabric.js, which is a JavaScript animation library, open source. So this is Fabric.js. So we are using this package as well. So we are using these two libraries for building this, and you can just see this is your package.json file. So once you purchase the source code, guys, the link is given. You can go to my website procodestore.com. You will get this zip file. After you purchase it, you will be automatically be redirected to Google Drive, where you will get this zip file. And now if you're running it for the very first time, after you extract the content, you will see this directory structure. Each component is coded inside JSX file here, if you see. So each component here is coded inside its appropriate JSX file. So if you are a developer, if you are a student, this will be a good project to purchase. You will get to know about how I built this entire project from scratch. Before purchasing it, you can try this live demo. At the checkout page also I've given the link. So after purchasing it, now to run this file, run this project, you first of all say npm i. So this will install all the Node.js packages and it will create this node modules folder. After you do this, you just need to run this project. And for running this project, we have the command here npm run dev. So this will actually start your development server localhost 5173. So now instead of running it locally, we can run this locally project. You see that now we are running it locally here. So it is that easy. You can now again do the same thing. You can add text. If you want to add images, you can add images. You can see that how easy it is to reposition everything, text, image. Then we also have different kinds of shapes. If you see, if you want to convert your image to a circle, you can even do that as well using this square, triangle. You can see that. And here you can see that we have different shapes here. So you can see that we have a circle shape right here. You can see, just click on the shape name and it will actually insert this into the canvas. You just need to click it. If you want to hide some elements, we have also this hide button. So now just click on the individual element name and then you can make them hide or show. You can toggle the visibility by hitting these buttons. So it's very easy to remove elements from the canvas. Just click on that and just click hide. So it's very easy. So we also have additional properties here. The shadow, you can even control the shadow. Just click on the element and here you can just create shadow effect, which is similar to Canva. If you see, this shadow has been added. So it's an advanced editor, guys, Canva clone editor, which supports all these functionalities. You can export them to PDF. So definitely try this, and if you are interested, the link is given. You can purchase it from my website. Once you purchase it, you will get the full source code, and if you are a developer, then you can even add additional functionalities to this. It's a very simple coded project and you will understand all the code, and you will be able to edit this code as well if you want to add additional functionalities to this project. So it's coded inside JSX and latest version of React.js, which is about 18. So you can see it is compatible with the latest version. So it's a nice project that you can purchase it. It will be good for you. You can add multiple pages here. You can see that. So for each page, we can change the properties here. So this is a thing, guys. If you are interested, you can try this first of all. And then if you are interested, The link is given in the description. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.